I work hard, but I work smart too. You know what? Yeah, I have a message. There was a guy when I was in training in the military, and he said, work smarter, not harder. You know what I say to that now? Work smarter and harder. Ugh. So, we got like a couple of tips for the air blowers, the little, you know, whatever. Valve stem tools and chunks, various styles. Fluid film, blow gun, whatever you want to call it. Dual foot chuck, put in air. However, I will not be using these on the bus. I may use this. Really big for dualies, you know. Air gauge. True 50-foot hoses. I have a typical S-506 Milton for cars. But for the bus, now you want to inflate split rims with 50 feet distance and while you chain the damn thing down, right? But the fitting on this damn thing is a 27 thread, I forgot the size, it's some really messed up size, you cannot find them. I just wanted to take this off, put an adapter, put a hose on it, you know, like a regular hose like this, and kind of connect it like that, right? So I can keep my distance, inflate it from afar, and not die stupidly. But Milton sells one to the military. That's where I use them, in the Air Force. And they want $1,000 for the damn thing, and I'm not spending no $1,000 for it. What? Because I couldn't figure out how to make it myself? And if you want to do it, here it is. You take the S-506, you cut it, alright? You put a barbed NPT fitting, a regular 1/4-inch NPT fitting, put a 3-way. I put their the coupler, a male coupler. Well, it doesn't really matter, whatever you got to fit. In this case, it's a male coupler. Also an M-style 1/4-inch NPT. And also importantly, the gauge, because these are notoriously unreliable and not precise. So I want to have a gauge to constantly monitor, inflate a little bit, let go, check the gauge out. And now I can inflate split rims without dying. So there you go.